You finally made it to your bias's birthday cafe. There's a drink, a cup holder, and a photo zone waiting. But first you have to order 2 phrases, and you're set. Let's learn them.
주세요. 얼마예요?
A birthday cafe is a fan-run event for an idol's birthday. You order a drink and often get free goods. To do that, you need 2 polite phrases. One by one.
생일카페에서 주문할 거예요.
First. It means please give me. Put a thing in front of it and you can ask for anything. This is the single most useful word for ordering in Korea.
아메리카노 주세요.
Say 주세요. Point and say, this one please. Or use a number, 1 Americano please. Is 1, is 2.
이거 하나 주세요.
You reach the counter, look at the special birthday menu, and pick the signature drink. You point at the photo and order.
이 음료 하나 주세요.
Same word gets you the freebies. Cup holder please. Want an extra of something? 1 more please. It never changes.
컵홀더도 주세요.
Second, it means how much is it? Ask this before you pay, or when you spot merch you want. Short, polite, and essential.
이거 얼마예요?
Say 얼마예요. Point and ask, how much is this? Buying a few things? How much altogether?
다 해서 얼마예요?
Next to the register there's a little table of stickers and postcards for sale. You want one, but there's no price tag. You just ask.
이 스티커 얼마예요?
2 bonus lines for paying. Can I use card? And when you're ready to check out, I'll pay now. Smooth and polite.
카드 돼요? 계산할게요.
Now stack them. Order with, ask the price with, and pay. That tiny combo carries you through the whole counter.
이거 주세요. 얼마예요?
2 magic words around your order. Excuse me, to get the staff's attention. And always finish with, thank you. Fans are the politest customers.
여기요. 감사합니다.
Put it all in order. You wave, order the drink, ask how much, and pay by card. 10 seconds, and you did it entirely in Korean.
여기요. 이거 하나 주세요. 얼마예요?
One rule, you're talking to staff, so keep it polite. An are already polite forms. Don't drop to casual or with someone working the counter.
직원분께는 존댓말로 해요.
Good news, these phrases are polite and safe anywhere, a cafe, a store, a restaurant. Use them with anyone, and you'll never sound rude. This is your everyday Korean.
어디서나 정중하게 써도 돼요?
Your turn, repeat after the native speaker. This one please. How much is it? And together.
이거 주세요. 얼마예요? 이거 주세요. 얼마예요?
Your mission, in the comments, order your dream birthday cafe drink in Korean using, and ask me. I'll reply with the price. Subscribe, next time we're buying albums and merch.
댓글에 이거 주세요. 얼마예요? 써보세요.